somebody should keep on pushing me, pushing me. Then, somebody's doing anyway, this is a long overdue testimony, and I think the Lord deserves His glory to be revealed here. And I think this is a privilege. Some of my Bible studies, they do about it. Now, my spiritual life has been like what we normally said, it's like a yo-yo, up and down, up and down. So yeah, you present me as a big barometer, sometimes it's coming, sometimes it's not. And I remember my faith is on its feet level. Something is always happened to
But
me.
you know,
Pulls down, that keeps
and then
my
it goes
faith down.
very hectic 1,000.
The devil uses my
Yung
family, the devil uses people that I love around me, my friends. I think even the devil can use.
Oh, how do you know?
And it's a bit, and
Person.
I give in, and I fell down. So,
I don't care how long
but now, I know
I don't care how long it takes, but I'm gonna fight.
I know how he works. I know everything that is done. When I came back to church, I was not God. So when I came back to work in the church, I expected that a lot of things will happen to me. So he made my daughter healed, he's praying our finances, everything he has done. Then I have healed my long time, what do you call this, differences with my brother. And again, he's stealing it again, putting it back, he didn't